mai rā no te hihi o mau o Kōdin kia haere mau a tama ki te Kōhanga Reo, and we're really, really lucky actually because in our area there are quite a few. But now it's time that we've made a decision.
Morena tamariki mā. Morena Nanny Wanda. Pēhana koutou. Hea te āhua o te rangi waho. Kei te ua. Ai.
Nanny Wanda, ko te mea tuatahi. Just the first thing is we're in the office, and just to explain that we're in the office because there are certain areas he ture ne kare kōrero Pākehā ki korā ki roto i te akomanga. So what is that about?
Kōhanga, the conception of Kōhanga Reo was because of the loss of te reo. Ka whakaaro ngā kaumātua, the kaumātua decided that they will do something to bring te reo back to the Māori and to the country. So they decided to tū ngā Kōhanga Reo for te reo, mō ngā mokopuna. But it's not only mokopuna, the parents. It's so important that the parents come and learn, because there's nothing worse than ka ako ngā tamariki, children here learn here, go home to nothing. So we believe that the home is the hub of te reo. He whaia kei kone, kei te haere mai ia ki te tiro i te Kōhanga Reo. Kia mōhio ia kei te pai tātou ka hore rāngi. Ko tōna ingoa, ko whaia Jenny May. Mihi atu kia whaia Jenny May. Morena whaia Jenny May.
If parents are wanting to enrol their children in a Kōhanga Reo, is it necessary to speak te reo at home?
This is the start. Let us start. With your child enrolled, you are enrolling too. We will give them homework, the parent, with the work that the tamariki are doing in Kōhanga. So they have the basic, and we give them that basic. Really, that homework is for the parents. The tamariki will just get it by sound and look, you know, titiro whakarongo. So the homework really goes home for the parents. So look out, Jenny May.
What are the most important things to you for our children to learn?
Number one for me is communication. To interact with one another and whanaumatanga. That's important to us. Babies need to feel safe and to interact with each other and learn to be kind, aroha, wera mea katoa. But it's not so much te reo as such. But when they're here, ka koro Māori mātou, and they will hear.
A ka hara mai a dīna ākua nei, engari I mui tana tainga mai, ka hare atu tāua ki te ngā tamariki, pai tēnā?
Pai tēnā. Ka mauria ngā pēpi ki reira, ka kite koe pēhea te pai o tērā taha.
Ai. Ko ata whai tēnei?
Oh, ko... How do you tell them differently? Ko te mana hau.
Kei.
Hini mā? Ka pai.
Te rata koe ki tēnei wā. Te rata koe ki tēnei wā. Te Kōhanga Reo tēnei.
Okay.
Oh, ni. Kei te kōrero koe. Engari te āhua nei, e pai ana aku tamariki ki koe nei.
Te mea, aha koa koe, ina tai tuatahi mai, tiro nei. Ka tukuna koe kia haere ki te explore, you know. We walk around, let them feel the environment, let them see, kia ki te rātou, what's happening.
Oh, pai tēnā. Nō reira, ngā mihi ki a whene, e tino pai rawa atu taku o tā māua noho ki konei, e te ata nei. Ko te āhua nei, by the looks of things, the boys are tino pai rawa atu, tino harikoa rāua, they're really happy. You know, that's...
We'll leave them with you.
ake te.
Nō reira, he nui ake te aroha ki a koe me ngā kaimahi ki konei, me te whānau ki konei. Ai, tēnā koe. Nā wā, nō reira, pēhe o whakaaro, what did you think about
It
that?
was really, yeah, it was awesome. It was, had a beautiful wairua about the place, and Nan was cool, and clearly the boys loved it.
No, I don't think that they want to leave. I guess the biggest thing is knowing that we're looking at schools for our big girl as well, and going and actually having a look and feeling what the place is like. And I don't know, but to me, this place feels pretty right for the boys. Yeah, nō reira. Yeah, me haere, me haere. Haere tata.